Right, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're doing the weekly test in the house, the garage, and the shed. So, let's go. Okay, so I've logged this week's test ready. Okay, here's the detector we're going to be doing in the house today, so let's go. Okay. All good. Okay, that's all logged in the logbook. We did have a re-alarm just now, because I didn't let it clear for long enough, but there we go. That's fine now. Okay. This is the next device. This is on the shed now, so... there we go. That sounder is sounding. So is that one. And that beacon is flashing. There we go. Okay, that's logged in the logbook. Okay, this is the next system we're going to test, so let's go. This system doesn't have a logbook yet, so I'm gonna have to make one, but you know. Okay, let's go. Okay. There we go, and finally we'll do a lamp test. Okay, thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll probably do one of these again next week. I'll probably do one every week, or maybe every other week. I'll still do the test every week, but I won't film it. Anyway, yeah, I've got more content on my TikTok. If you haven't seen me over there, the TikTok's at Ollie's Fire Alarms. Thank you for watching today's video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you in the next one.